Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the license plate lamp assemblies. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Once you open the trunk, there's 13 body trim clips to take this felt liner off. Take all 13 off. Last one in the center. Disconnect the electrical connector. You push in on this tab, pull out on the connector. Same for the other plate light bulb. So I'm going to pull the trunk lid down so that I can reach it, but you see the two tabs right here? So you're going to squeeze these tabs in and push the actual lens out. So now we can lower it and see what we get on this side. So you might just have to take your thumbnail or your hand and lift up a little bit on this plastic on your trim here. Just keep working it out. There we go. I know it sounds horrible, but nothing broke. So there is your plate light assembly, and that's how it sits up in there. Now to get that bulb out, the plastic lens does come off. So like I just see the tabs right here, I'll just squeeze and give it a pull. Might have to take a small screwdriver. So I take a little small screwdriver and I'm gonna pop the lens off from the base so we can get that bulb out. Seal's pretty worn. But there's your bulb, 194 bulb. Just grab it and pull it out from the actual connector. You can see the copper connectors in there. And here's our bulb. Like I said, it's a 194. So if your bulb is burnt out, get a new one, install it, flat blade with the flat style of the, snap it right in. Now the lens, we know that it goes in at an angle. The part that faces the plate is the part that has this ridge line in it. So it's facing down at the plate. Snap it in. So you can see the angle that this is going to go in. That ridge line is to distort the light outward. So we're just going to line it up, slide it right into that. Now this is where you put your hand up underneath here and you grab the backing of it. And you're going to just pinch those tabs. Do one side at a time. And slide it in. If you need to get a small screwdriver, let's get one. So with a small screwdriver, I'm going to push from this side, push that tab in, and then pull on the actual lamp until I hear it snap right in. There it is, it's in place. Now we can grab our connector, reconnect it. Same procedure for the other side. So line the liner up. Don't forget the pull handle for the emergency release. It's going to go right through this area. So you want to pull that through first, like that. Then line everything up. I'm going to put the center clip in first. There we go. Let go. Now we're just going to work our way around, put all the rest of the tabs back. Last one.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.